This is the Triton T80Z Fast-Fit Thermostatic. In this tutorial we're going to look at changing the solenoid coil, identifying it as faulty and then replacing it. For this I'll just need to turn the electricity off and remove the cover. I've removed all the other screws. There's normally 1, 2 and 3 screws for the cover, but for this tutorial we've just made it a little bit easier. As you pull the cover off, there's a neon at the top on brown wires and a neon on the bottom on a yellow and grey wire. Just remove those and be careful of them. The part that we're looking at today, I'll just move that out of the way. Okay, the part we're looking at today is the solenoid coil. If the solenoid coil fails, what you will get is you will get power to the unit, but there'll be no water flowing. Okay, normally to do this we would use a multimeter, and the multimeter would be set on ohms, and you should expect from a good coil 3.5 to 4.5 kiloohms across the coil. We've got 4.1 kiloohms there, so that is a good coil, but for all intents and purposes for this tutorial we're just going to change it as if it was faulty. If it was faulty, you'd get an open line or open circuit reading on your meter. Let's put the meter down. Okay, it's pretty easy to change this. We just want to remove the coil. So what we're going to do is firstly we're going to take off the 2 connectors. And if you use a flat blade screwdriver, they should come off pretty easily. There's one and there's the other one. Okay, once you've done that, we use the flat blade screwdriver again. We put it underneath and we put it in between the body and in between the coil, and then we just turn 90 degrees and it lifts the coil off. Okay, what you need to do then is you need to pull the coil towards you and it will come off pretty easily, and that would be the faulty coil. When you get the new coil, it will come attached to this body, bit like this one. This isn't the right one, but it shows you how it would come, and then all you would do is you would remove the coil from the new body. You don't really need it, so we would just put the new coil back on, making sure that it's in the same orientation as the one you take off, and then just reattach the wires like so, and that's how easy it is. Obviously then we will take out the neon, because we're going to need to refit that at some point, and that's how easy it is to change the coil. What we do then is we will offer the cover back up, replacing the neon on the brown wires and replacing the one on the grey and yellow wires. Put the cover back on. I'm only using the 1 screw just to keep it in place while we finish the demonstration. Okay, that's that one on, so it keeps the coil on. Obviously now what we want to do is just restore the power and check whether water's flowing from the shower. So we'll turn the shower on, and as you can see from the shower head, water's flowing nicely out of the shower. So that's the repair finished. That ends the tutorial for the T80Z Fast-Fit Thermostatic Shower. If you'd like to know anything else or a bit more about the Triton T80Z Fast-Fit Thermostatic or any of the other showers in the Triton range, please go to the Triton website or to the Triton YouTube channel.